Hello! Welcome to another stream chat. The second stream today. Here's all over the place. How's it going, Michaela? Hello, hello. Let's see. It's day 1 of Advent of Code, which means it is about to become the 1st of December. My time zone, it is still the 30th. Hey, what's up, Shapiro J? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. New plushie. I think she's talking about you. You're the new plushie.
I'm the new one?
There's a plushie moving in the back, so I satisfied. It's true, it's true. There is a new plushie on the scene today. But anyway, we're here for Advent of Code. It's day 1, so it's probably gonna be a real quick, short stream, hopefully. And Juice is gonna do Advent of Code, right?
I will attempt.
Gonna do some JavaScript. But we got set up earlier, so I should be pretty ready to go. Can you tell I didn't even move my windows since earlier? Literally just haven't done anything. Yeah, this is still up from before. But let's actually just get into our little zone here, and that's not the thing we're working on. You can see 2020. We can get our text editor up and ready. Part 1 and AOC Babby day 01 input.text. Okay, so we're ready to splat our stuff in there. I have a bet that we're gonna need this loop, so I'm just gonna write the loop now. It might change to, you know, s.dot split lines. Actually, let's do s.dot strip. Just to be like almost ready to go. But anyway, that should be fun. Let's see. Let's say hi to everyone who's here. Michaela's first. Crash and Sideburns firstant. I guess that's a valid what do they call them? Traction. You are somehow not first. Yeah, somehow Juice is not first, despite I said, "Hey Juice, I'm going live," and clicked the button. And you weren't you weren't first somehow. Anyway, hey, what's up, Adrian DAA? Hello, hello. Good to see you again. Can you guys hear the music? Oh, I can hear it. It's just a little bit quiet. Oh, that's too loud. There we go. That's a little bit better. Satisfied says 5-minute stream. Is this Advent of Code? This is indeed Advent of Code. Set today working on Advent of Code. Adventofcode.com. New puzzles every day in December until Christmas. Okay, cool. So we got our chatbot set up. We're all good to go. Oh, I do have an announcement. For those of you that missed it in the Discord, which if you're not part of the Discord, do bang Discord and join there. I'm trying to get to Discord partner. But on Wednesday, we're going to be doing a special stream where I am going to be playing around with Azure and doing some stuff with speech recognition and search using Azure Cognitive Search. So it should be pretty cool. But that stream will be sponsored by Microsoft. I'm going to try and make a thing that searches my YouTube videos. So we'll see how that goes. But should be pretty cool. I'm excited for it. Hey, what's up, AI Code YT? Hello, hello. Good to see you again. Snuggle the new plushie on the stream. Okay, we go. Little snuggle. Hey, what's up, OGJ? Who says, do you run Ubuntu off of a thumb drive? A weird thing to guess about. But no, I am running Ubuntu in a virtual machine. I'm on Windows. I had run off of a thumb drive before. A long time ago, I ran 1004 off of a thumb drive. I've also booted the installer off of a thumb drive a bunch of times, but yeah. Hey, what's up, Peace Frog 71? That's a great name. My favorite animals are frogs. You know that?
You don't have any frog plushies.
I don't have any frog plushies, that's true. My favorite animal is the frog. Also, during my fuck live coders message, I signed off peace, love, and frogs, Anthony. Hey, what's up, Chups the Max? Hello, hello. Tomorrow's yesterday. Today? Oh, okay. I see. It's pronounced as Azure. Azure. Yeah. Okay, well I say Azure because running it off of a toe drive. Juice is snoogling a plushie on stream. Anthony never does that. I want to see a plushie in his lap one. Oh. We've got Reginald slash Leopold. Oh, they just saw your feet too. Give in chat that the free footies. But anyway. How does anyone snuggle with any plushie other than Carpet? Carpet's actually really hard to snuggle with. Too pokey. A Pokemon, you might even say.
Oh my god.
Hey, what's up, Steve Benito? Hello, hello. Good to see you again. But yeah, we're just kind of waiting here. AWS just released macOS on EC2 because that's the thing. What? No. Really? What? How? How does it work? Today is reInvent Amazon Web Services, an Amazon.com company. As if you had no idea. What kind of fucking rock would you have to live under to not know about Amazon Web Services? Built on Mac Minis. Huh. They must be hella expensive. They must be so expensive. Also, they're still Intel Macs, so what's the point? Man, the team that built this must have been so pissed when Apple was like, lol, now we're going to ARM. Because they built out all of this hardware and storage capacity for Intel Macs, and then like, lol, not a thing anymore. Late night stream, it's true outdated version. How's it going, Yellow Schmo? Oh, we got a raid from user335. How's it going, user335? It's been a while. Give a, oh, my auto capitalization broke the shout out command. There we go. User335. You guys don't know user335? They've been working on a game, which is a first-person strategy, but sort of. I don't know. It's really cool. I always stop by there when I'm like, I want to see something wild with games, and it's pretty cool. But welcome to the stream. We're gonna be doing some admin of code in about 5 minutes. And I don't know. I'm gonna be a little bit try hard, so I'll probably be ignoring chat while I implement this. I might talk a little bit, but we're gonna try and I don't think we're gonna get points on the first bunch of days. I think the 5th day is about my sweet spot where I sometimes get points. Shout out Dragon Slumber 2. Sure. Dragon Slumber. Check out Dragon Slumber as well. He's game dev 2 and rated me right as I was rating you. Perfect. Double raid. That's awesome. Well, welcome everyone. Studio Novega, thank you as well for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Void Venom says, hello, fellow admin of code participant. Yeah, it should be pretty fun today. What if the first question is just FizzBuzz? Well, we implemented FizzBuzz in int code, so perfect, we're done. I don't know, my guess is usually the first problems are like, you know, add up numbers, or count the number of parentheses, or figure out how many spaces there are, or something like that. So it should be pretty straightforward. You ignoring chat isn't anything new. It's true. Dragon Slumber says it's me! Hello, hello! So we should spam once you start, right? Yeah, that's exactly right, Chups the Max. From me to Connor to Dragon Slumber to User335 to you, raids for days. Man, I wonder if you could get enough friends together that were in different time zones that you could just chain raids forever. Am I gonna have to mute stream so I can focus to try this myself? I don't know. Are you gonna mute stream?
I'm not looking. I'm getting my.
Well, I mean, it was a joke because you can't mute me because it's real life.
Oh, I can't mute you.
Yeah, it was a dumb joke. We're getting a first-person puzzle game called Aethernaut. Ooh, that sounds cool. Hey, what's up, Pylane? Hello, hello. So does Admin of Code have a way to submit code through the site? I've never used it. So the way it works, can we speedrun a puzzle? We can probably speedrun a puzzle. The way it works, let's Let's do 2016. Day 1. So the way it works is each person has a little puzzle, and there is an input, and you'll be able to you'll be able to copy and paste your input, and each input, well, they're not entirely unique, but there's some small number of inputs, and you'll do a computation against this input, and you'll put it into the box here. And this is actually quite a tricky one for day 1, but I think they'll be a little bit easier than this. But yeah, that's generally the idea. So they'll be completely different. Earplugs work for live muting. That's true. That's true. It's too late for me to do this myself, and we'll have to do this tomorrow morning after watching you do it. Perfect. Distract Anthony at ball drop. Go. You set the MOTD to MOTE. Nice. Perfect. Okay. But I think we're ready to go. It looks like this one for 2016 was a parsing problem. This one's actually a little bit tricky because it involves 2-dimensional coordinates. Usually they only do like 1-dimensional coordinates on the first one. Right 5, left 5, right 5, right 3. Wait, what? Hey, what's up? Protopoly.com. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Oh yes, 1 minute. I should stop trying to think about this problem that we're not working on.
I want to do the count.
No, that's gonna be so lame.
It's so cool.
Countdown from 10 to 1.
And then we can make the plushies kiss like it's New Year's.
Can the MOTD get in a loop? No, can't get in a loop. But a lot of people do set it to MOTD. Student of Vega says, so what are we working on tonight? Looks like plenty of code. So the idea behind Advent Code is it's a bunch of puzzles that release 2 per day until Christmas. On Christmas, I believe there's only 1 puzzle. Oh, spoilers. The last star is free. But it's gonna unlock in 15 seconds, and then we're gonna start serious mode where I ignore you guys and try and speed through a puzzle. So anyway, we're gonna start pretty soon. Are you gonna do your countdown? No, you're not gonna do your countdown.
1.
Okay, here we go. Oh, it's starting from the top this year. Oh, it's lagging. No!
It's lagging.
The lag! Hey, what's up, Rebidub TV? That's because everyone is refreshing right now. So many people play this right now. Oh, no!
Want me to read that last
Eric! Oh, yours loaded?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, sure. Read
After
it.
saving Christmas 5 years in a row, you decided to take a vacation at a nice resort on a tropical island. Early Christmas will go on without you. Tropical Island has its own currency, entirely cash only. The gold coins used there have a little picture of a starfish. The locals just call them stars. None of the currency exchanges seem to have heard of them, but somehow you'll need to find 50 of these coins by the time you arrive so you can deposit on them. To save your vacation, you'll need to get all 50 stars by December 20th. Collect the stars by solving puzzles. You understand?
Yes, I know that part so far.
Okay. Before you leave, the elves in accounting just need you to fix your expense report. Apparently something isn't quite adding up. Specifically, they need you to find 2 entries that sum to 2020 and then multiply those 2 numbers together. For example, suppose your expense report contained the following: 1721, 979, 366, 299, 675, and 1456. In this list, the 2 entries that sum to 2020 are 1721 and 299.
Wait, 299?
Multiplying them together produces 1721 times 299 equals 514579. The correct answer is 514579.
Okay.
Of course, your expense report is much larger. Find the 2 entries that sum to 2020. What do you get if you multiply them together? To begin, get your puzzle input. You have to get your puzzle input.
Yeah, I still haven't gotten it. This is ridiculous. This is actually ridiculous. Actually, want a set for this. Whoops.
You know, pressing the get your puzzle input
Can you tell me what the link is that it generates for that?
I'll ping it.
That way I can just type in, just refresh on that link instead. Poor Eric. Eric's probably like, no, why is it not working? Oops. Okay, but I have like the idea here, so for number in numbers, if 2020 minus number in numbers, turn 2020 minus number times number. So, can you read the sample test case for me again?
In this list, the two entries that sum to 2020 are 1721 and 209. Multiplying them together produces 514579. So the correct answer is 514579.
Okay.
So find those that equal 2020 and then the result and the multiplication is the answer.
Okay.
Alright, I mean, I'm already done.
You're what?
I mean, it's really easy.
Yeah, as soon as you get your input, right?
Yeah.
Service temporarily unavailable, that's even worse. Hey, what's up, Angie Nemo? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. It changed to 503, so he's on it now. Yikes. I mean, Alka probably has their own solution to it. Oh, they have the paste of the thing, yeah. Okay, well, I have, you know, the code implemented, so. We can actually probably do this even easier. We can optimize this while we're going. Numbers equals set for numbers dot add n. This probably means that no one is going to get points on the first day. This will make MyPy happy. I think MyPy will know that this is always integers. Got the answer, but I can't submit it, right? 503 is part of the ASC, you have to look at the page, yeah. He's really solving this without looking at the problem. It's true, it's true.
I mean, you don't really need the problems.
It's true, this one's really easy. Piley says Anthony always ignores me, so alone. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Oh my god. I totally remembered this. This is such a silly thing. Actually, I have a fun story about this at Yelp. I wrote the error pages service at Yelp. It was one of our first front-end services. And by making the error... So I a little bit micro-optimized the error pages so that the HTML was so small. And I accidentally made the pages so small that they triggered the default Chrome and Internet Explorer error pages. So we had to add a similar comment to this on Yelp.com. I wonder if it's still there, if the page has been bloated. Oh, no, the comment's gone, so it must be less bloated now, or more bloated now. All these divs. Yeah, serve 0 error pages. This actually might be the same code that I wrote back then. But, yeah. Did you get a chance to see the question? What are you even solving? Just dropped in. Yeah, I have the question. I have the solution. But I don't have the input, so I can't actually do it. So, you want to see an Easter egg on Yelp.com? There's this fun page called Lil Brudder, which just has this image that says, "I can make it on my own," which I think is a Homestar Runner reference. Homestar Runner reference? Lil Brudder?
Sorry, I'm not. I'm actually writing.
Is this a Homestar Runner reference?
I think so. Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe someone in chat knows.
I think it's the Team Girl Squad adopt a dog or something.
Oh shit, we have input now.
You have input?
Yeah. Okay, it's part 1. Can I submit it though? There we go. Scale up those EC2 instances. Okay. Rank 942. Oh, that means that means I don't get points. They want your help. One of them even offers you a starfish coin. Blah blah blah. They offer you a second one if you find 3 numbers in your expense report that meet the same criteria. Oh, so you have to find 3 numbers that sum. This one's a little bit trickier. Ryle has raided you with a party of 4. Welcome, raiders. I should not be paying attention to that. Day 01, part 1. Day 02, day 01, part 2. We're just gonna go for a crappy brute force solution on this. We just do n squared, probably? Yeah. N cubed, I guess? It's a big chunk of numbers, but int s for us. It's probably a more efficient solution for number in numbers for number 2 in numbers. Oh, actually, we want, what is the itertools thing for this? Combinations. Are length tuples sorted in sorted order, no repeated elements? Yeah. You'll almost never see me use itertools. Did they give me a test case for this that I can copy and paste just for... Oh, we have the same 979,366, 979,366, 675. Should be this big old number here. Okay. Big old number, kind of a slow solution. So we got our star. Oh wait, it didn't say anything about leaderboard. Does that mean I only got leaderboard for... Wait, what? Why did it tell me the rank? Oh, because it tells you if you're less than 1,000. I see. Okay, cool.
I've never done this before. It's a video.
There's a little text back to the bottom for the number that you get given your input.
Oh.
Yep.
So you just run it and then you...
Yep. Okay, let me say hi to everybody. A dog with no front legs, right? It's taken straight from Homestar Runner? Yeah, it makes sense. Makes sense. Hey, what's up, M2Devs.net? Hello, hello. Ryle says, hey, at the Red's Code, it's a raid! It's a dub raid? What? Right, up. Oh, I see. Adrian says, it's 392. Yeah, well, you got in. You got lucky. Hey, what's up, Shaz Robot? Hello, hello. Is this day 1? It is indeed. I always use itertools. I hate itertools. I don't like itertools. T says, curse those 503s, but I made it top 100 for part 2. The thing is, I think the points are going to get thrown out for day 1 because literally no one could get anything in. So my guess is they won't actually be a thing here. But okay, let's day 01 part 1, day 01 input. Let me just git commit everything, and then maybe we'll try and do... I think we can do this one with SQLite. I think this should be pretty easy in SQLite. Problem is parsing input is tricky. Oh, we gotta do the thing. Day 01, part 1, day 01, input.text. I mean, I could optimize it to be a little bit faster because my solution is not super fast, but I also don't care, so it's fine too. Day 1, part 1. Does MyPy know about my types? It does. Nice. day01 input.text. Not a very fast solution. That's fine. I don't care. There's probably some clever math trick. Oh, that's not what I want to do. Oh god, that's really not what I want to do. There's probably some clever math trick that gives you some of 3 numbers, but I just don't care. You can probably sort and do some like binary search shenanigans. 3 for loops. There you go, Zallybags. That's good. T1T says, I hope so. Yeah. I mean, it would make sense. That's what's happened in previous years when there were technical difficulties. They just were like, yoink! We're gonna yank all the points for that day. Jeremy AI says, wow, I got my 8 hours sleep in and you're still streaming. I mean, we started another stream. Let's see. Day 1, part 2. Am I happy? It is. Okay, so we're gonna try and implement this in SQLite. Let me see if I can find the trick that I used before in Advent of Code 2019. No. Because I think... Wait, what is going on? Oh, that's not a regex. Is this one? Store an integer. No, that one's that one. Let's try day 2. Okay, so this is splitting based on a number. We're gonna use the same approach here. Let's see. Multi-line string SQLite. Is there a multi-line string in SQLite? Okay, single quotes. Cool. Okay. Day 01, part 1.SQLite.SQL. What in the name of heck is that SQL? So this is a recursive table. This is a feature of SQLite. It allows you to basically build a table based on a base case and a generation and a termination case. So in this case, my base case is 0. I don't have a 0 at the beginning. Oh, because... Wait. Oh, that's the program counter? Oh, no, this is row ID. Okay, so I'm using this as a pad. I see. Yeah. So it allows you to have... So this is the base case here, and then it does a union against a generation here. So that's what we're going to do as well. Our puzzle input, create table input value string, insert into input values, and then we're going to have our multi-line string here. I'm just going to write the code for the simple case first. That way we can actually debug this a little bit. Day 01, part 1. But the query is actually going to be real fun. We're just going to do a triple self-join. So this is our input here, but these are on their own lines. That's our input. Let's see if that actually works so far. SQLite, salsa. Day 01, part 1 dot... Have you gotten it yet? No?
I'm having a syntax error.
You're having what?
Syntax.
You have a buddy problem.
I want apparently.
Okay, cool. So we have our input now. So let's do the parsing. Oh yeah, I can talk to chat now, right? M2dev.net says, I know the puzzles get harder each day, but do they get harder year over year too? I thought a friend told me that once. So some of the earlier years are a little bit easier towards the end, just because they weren't, you know, graduated as much for the popularity. There's also Also, I find that some of the earlier years, the earlier puzzles are easier, or sorry, are harder than some of the later early puzzles. Just not really any reason. I assume it's just like Eric got better at making puzzles over time. And sometimes he stops by the stream, so we might see him later. Although he's probably fighting his his essentially a DDoS problem. Okay, so this is our input. We need to create table numbers, which is going to have an int with recursive. This is the magic part. This is our recursive table. So we're gonna have, essentially, we're gonna plug off one number at a time and keep the rest of the string around. So we're gonna substring for new line, and then, yeah, we'll be able to basically just do the same thing here. And let's see, insert into numbers. N select nn.n from nn. Okay, so we need our base case. Our base case here is select substr input.value, comma 0, comma insert input.value, new line from input. And then we need to do the generation after this. So this is, instead of 0, it is this plus 1. So that's our base case. Union all. Select. Okay, so when it has a comma, when 0, then nn.rest. Okay, so when there's no comma in it, it's just the rest. Otherwise, it's a substring. And we basically do the same thing here. But instead of comma, it's new line. And our termination case is easy. We just get the empty string at the end of this. This is the recursive magic here. Hey, what's up? Shinyan Durji. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. From nn, where length nn.rest is greater than 0. This is our termination case. So this should parse all of our numbers. Let's just do it at the end. Select star from numbers. We got a what? Let me interact with you, look. File is not a database. Oh no, did I just blow away my database? Or my SQL? Wait, how do you run a file on a file? How do I see what's actually in here? Oh, we can probably just do select row ID. That'll give us a table. From numbers. Okay, so it clearly is not working. First row is null, and the second row is the entire contents of our table. So what did we do wrong here? Day0 part 1 dot SQLite. And the music has stopped. Rise. Okay, what did we do wrong here? Let's just try this here. Can I just do that on its own? Okay, so it's this new line that's not working. This probably needs double quotes then, if I had to guess. TV says, "Are you competing with Rimu right now? What is Rimu doing?"
You do part 2 already?
Yeah. Part 2's tricky.
Part 2.
I mean, I just did it the easiest way. Just thinking of the dumbest way to do it. It's good enough for this day. How are you gonna
loop in a loop.
What? Loops, brother. What is Rimu doing right now, Rabbit Up TV? So what's going on here? How do we get a new line character? String, substring. SQLite inster with new line character. Each platypus says, "This is really reminding me I need to use pipems and VMs. Python on my machine is a mess." Well, you don't need pipems. A literal blob. SQLite has no backslash escapes. You can generate a new line in a string by writing it directly into the query. Oh my god. Or use a blob literal, or the char function. Christ. Just because, there's no new line character. That's why this is broken. Sorcerer Finch is ready to move the party too. Hello, Sorcerer Finch. Welcome to the stream. Raining in from the blue sky. Finch's stream comes to say hi. How's it going? Sorcerer Finch. Maybe we should check him out. What's wrong with Pipev? I find that it's slow and unnecessary. Let's see if we've got this. Okay, cool. We are now selecting our numbers. So now we have the main part of the problem. So now we need to select numbers 1.n times numbers 2.n from numbers as numbers 1 inner join numbers as numbers 2. We're gonna do a self join where numbers 1.n plus numbers 2.n equals 2020. That should give us our answer. Hey, we actually get it twice. So we can put limit 1. So that's day 1 part 1. Is that the same thing I got for the Python? Day 01 part 1.py. Oops. Oh wait, that's the test case. We have to actually put the real input in there. 514579, that's what we got, right? Okay, so let's put the full data in there. Inputs.text. We unfortunately have to put this as a giant string literal in the SQLite file, which is a little bit gross, but what are you gonna do? Boop! So now it's 233 lines of SQL.
The way I'm doing it,
Yeah.
because I'm looping through this at once.
Yeah.
And then I'm subtracting whatever the x is by 2020 minus that I'm looping.
Yeah.
Then I'm looping through the set again and then subtracting all of that.
Yeah.
And then I'm looping through again, and if the product of those 3 equals 0,
you get the sum of those 3.
The sum of those 3 equals, I mean, like, I keep subtracting.
Yeah, yeah.
Is that how you did it?
Kinda.
Okay.
Hey, what's up? Jess617, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Or select a stink, yeah, that would work too. Sorcerer Finch says, hey Anthony, how goes day one? Wait, are you solving this using SQLite? Yes, I am solving it using SQLite. Hey, what's up, Peterin? Welcome back. Good to see you. And the answer's so nice, it gives you the answer twice. It's true. Select a stink would also work, yeah. Rotive TV says, what place did you get in the advent? I've been swapping back and forth between you and Remu. I got like 900th and 1000th, 1100th or something like that. Let's see, personal stats. I got 900th and 1100th. Although almost all of this time was sitting there refreshing on a 503 screen, so I don't think day one really is a good test for this. Okay, so let's see if this works now. Is that what I got? Day 01 part 1.py, day 01 input.text. Yes, we get the same number. Okay, cool. So that's part 1 in SQLite. Day part 1. Let's see, day 01 part 1 in SQLite. And so now we can do the same thing for day 1 part 2.SQLite.SQL. And for part 2, it's actually really, really easy. We just do another inner join. And then another multiplication here. And it's gonna run really slowly, but... Oh wait, that number looks super wrong. You got the answer? Does it work? Did you get your points?
I got my goals.
You got your stars? Dope. Okay, I've actually gotten this working properly. Eater has gifted a sub to Sorcerer Finch! Well, if you know my channel, lose a button for that.
You're private leader.
You'll have to join my Discord. You can do bang Discord in the chat.
I just want to know
And look at the pinned message in my Discord in the Advent of Code channel.
I'm third place.
Nice. Good job, Fosh.
Saying, hey, it's Batman.
Hey, it's
Batman.
How do you view that? Leaderboard, private leaderboard? How can I view it? Oh. Oh, look at that. Hey, it's Batman, who is a supporter. And it's Mel. And people from last year that haven't played yet. That's pretty cool. Okay, yeah, but look, we've got day 1 implemented in SQLite. I don't know how many more days we're gonna do in SQLite, but day 1, part 2 in SQLite. Interestingly, the SQLite solution should be almost as fast, if not faster, than the Python solution. Day 01, part 2 dot. It's a little bit slower. Okay, so like 360 milliseconds. Day part 2, day 01, input.text. Oh, it's actually pretty close. My SQLite solution is within 50 milliseconds of my Python solution. That's so dumb. Hey, what's up, Liz the Great? Thank you for the raid. Welcome, raiders. We're actually just we're just finishing up here as well. But if you somehow don't know Liz, make sure to follow their channel. But yeah, Liz, check it out. I have this terrible code. There's this SQLite file which has the puzzle input, so it's very to the spec. But then this fun recursive table join shenanigans to build up the input as numbers, and then we just do a table a product join here. What's up, John Adair? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Oh my god, I have so many people right now.
I beat rollers.
You beat rollers?
I beat rollers. Suck it, rollers.
Nice. But yeah, we're all done today. What
I sent you my code if you want to look at it.
Okay. Oh, is it in Discord? What rank did you get, Liz? Oh, it's even on the GitHubs. Hey, what's up, comrade Chimichanga? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. We'll see what Juice did. Oh, you just put it straight in. I mean, whatever works. I feel like a lot of the problem is parsing, and so if you just cheese out the parsing, that wait, how did you manually type this out, or did you use like find and
Copy,
replace?
paste. Find and replace.
Find and replace, yeah, nice. That's a valid solution. It's fair. Oh man, 4 each.
I did 3 4 inches in a row.
Nice. Set dot for each. Set dot for each. Set dot for each.
That's what I asked. I just. Right.
I mean, that's essentially what mine is. I cheesed it a little bit by using inner tools, but
I opened
yeah.
W3.
Oh, you opened that means you have to drink?
I don't.
Userman 2 cents. Solving SQL, you mad lad. It's true. It's true. Pass the love on to whoever else is still going. Yeah. Okay. We'll go find someone else who's doing, because I'm done at this point. Because of the outage, I'm canceling the global leaderboard points for both parts. Yeah, that makes sense. Source Revenge, 100%. I knew that was gonna happen. Really sorry about the incident today. We'll do our best. Yeah, no problem, Aneurysm. Aneurysm is one of the people who runs this, by the way. So, if you don't know, I know that from last year. Roller says I used Excel to add my nice.
Rollers used Excel.
Nice. Can you show the Python solution? Yeah, my part 2 solution's kind of bad. But I just wanted something that works. So this is my part 1. It operates in ON time. By accumulating all the previous numbers, and if it finds one that's already there based on a set check, it's done. And my part 2, I just iter tools combinations and, you know, YOLO. It works well enough. Okay, but anyway, let's go find someone to rate, because we're at a good point today. But I'm gonna be doing this every day, so for those of you here, I'll be trying to stream every day for Advent of Code until they get too hard and then I run out of time, or until you are like, Anthony, give me attention.
Tomorrow is puppy reveal.
Oh yeah, we're gonna have puppies on stream tomorrow, so stop by if you want to see a cute little pupperoo named Tofu. Hey, what's up, H Platypus? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. But yeah, I normally stream open source software on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday. Let's see if people are still streaming Advent of Code. Advent of Code noob. I'm just gonna give this person so many people. Looky. Actually, let's see if there's someone who's smaller. How about this person who has 8 viewers? We're gonna rate them. But thank you all for stopping by. Say hi to future Summit. Throw up your pythons if you got them. Say hello, etc., etc. And I sent mine away for educational chat I did pre-stream. Oh, nice. Cool. But yeah, thank you all for stopping by. And I'll see you around in the future. Have a good one. Bye.